Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and financial hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to check your SBI credit card balance without the app in 2025. Whether you're tech savvy or just prefer the old school methods, this guide is for you. With SBI's updates for 2025, checking your balance has become even more straightforward without relying on mobile apps. First off, let's talk about the quickest method: using SMS. It's simple and works on any phone. Just send a text message with the keyword BAL, followed by your 16-digit credit card number to 567,676. For example, if your card number is 1234-5678-9012-3456, type BAL 1,234,567,890,123,456 feet and hit send. Within seconds, you'll receive an SMS with your current balance and available credit limit. This is perfect for when you're on the move and don't have internet access. Next up, if you have access to the web, head over to SBI's net banking portal. Go to the official SBI website, log in with your user ID and password, and navigate to the credit card section. Look for the Account Summary, or Balance Enquiry, option. It's usually right there on the dashboard. This method is secure and gives you a detailed overview, including recent transactions. Remember, for 2025, SBI has enhanced their website with better security features like biometric login, so keep your details updated. If you're not online, don't worry. Give SBI customer care a call. Dial 1-800-123-4567 from your registered mobile number and follow the IVR prompts. You'll be asked to enter your card details for verification, and an executive can quickly share your balance over the phone. It's a reliable option for immediate assistance. Lastly, if you're near an ATM, insert your SBI credit card, enter your PIN, and select the Balance Enquiry option. It's fast, and you'll get a printed slip with your details. Always remember to take your card back and stay safe. There you have it. 4 easy ways to check your SBI credit card balance without the app in 2025. These methods are not only convenient but also help you manage your finances better. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.